are going to talk about CD-ROM installation and DVD-ROM installation. So now we have the cable connected to the motherboard and we know which cable is the power cable. Now look at this. This is where the data cable goes. There's like a little notch right there. This is for the cable because the cable also has a notch. I don't know if you can see it right there. Now we're gonna set this DVD-ROM drive, DVD burner drive, as a master on the second IDE, as a master on IDE 2. So I got my pins set to master, like I explained earlier. Take your cable and connect it like that, and then get your power cord, and since it's keyed, it goes right in. If you try to connect the power on backwards, you're gonna get something like this. Nothing's gonna happen. It'll only go in the correct way. So now I show you the steps on backward on purpose. I wanted to show you how to connect the cables, but and then you would flip the computer, and right there you can put screws, and then you proceed to connect the cables. And I show you the process on backwards because once the drive is in the computer, it's really hard to show you, so I did it for clarity.